Hello everyone, welcome to the Betikrame Tech YouTube channel. Today I will show you how we can upload and download program from Siemens TP 1500 Comfort HMI. You see, this is the HMI backward side. From back panel we can see the specification. This is 24 volt power supply, and also here is the connection. This is Profinet LAN, and here is X3 and X1. X1 has two ports. One is connected from PLC to HMI, and now another we connect P2 from here to our laptop by LAN cable. And also here is another X3. If we connect X3, then from laptop it is not possible to download the program. At first we connect the power supply. After connecting the power supply, to find out the HMI IP address, we have to touch the control panel option on the HMI screen instantly. Otherwise HMI will go to its normal starting status. So before starting we need to touch control panel. You see the HMI initialization is running on. This is Siemens brand Simatic HMI TP 1500 Comfort. Now we need to at first touch control panel, then from control panel we will click transfer. From transfer we will get a display, and here we select Ethernet cable. Now need to click properties to see the IP address, because we connect by Ethernet cable from our HMI to laptop. Here is, you can see, X3 and X1. X3 is for PLC. Here is the IP address 192.168.1 and 31. This IP address is needed to connect this HMI to PLC unit. Now we will click PN_X1. From X1 we can see that its IP address is 192.168.0 and 31. By observing this IP address, we need to put the IP address to our laptop. Now we will close the window or restart the HMI by power off and on, and then click transfer to connect the HMI with the laptop. When we will touch transfer, then the HMI will be ready for upload and download program, and it will be connected from HMI to the laptop. And here is showing communicating to host. Here host is our laptop. To upload or download the HMI software, at first we need to open the Simatic Prosave software. As our HMI model number is TP 1500 Comfort, so from general select, we selected the HMI TP 1500 Comfort. Here is different HMI model number, and we select our record, and the connection we select Ethernet cable. And now we can see the IP address is 192.168.1.5 IP address, but our HMI IP address is 192.168.0 and 31. So we have to change the IP address from 192.168.1.5 to 192.168.0.5. So we changed the third one 1 to 0. It must be done to communicate the laptop to the HMI. Now we will want to select the folder where the uploaded program will store. From D drive we select a folder, and in this folder, after uploading, the program will store here, and we select this and then click OK. Now click start backup, and we can see that backup is started. So everything, connection and communication is okay, and the program is uploading. Within a short time, program backup uploading will be completed. Here showing the backup was created successfully. That means program uploading is completed. Now we will see the IP address setting option. To change or see the IP address, we need to open control panel. Then we will click network and sharing center option. From there we click change adapter setting and then Ethernet, and after clicking the properties option, we will see the IP address to match the HMI IP address. Here we see the IP address as well as the subnet mask is as our requirement is okay. The IP address option of the PC or laptop, the dotted decimal format with 4 numbers separated by periods. The 3 numbers must be same to the HMI IP address and only last one will be defined. On the other hand, the subnet mask numbers must be same to the HMI subnet mask number. Now to download the HMI program, we must have to available the HMI program. So for this we need to open the uploaded HMI program from the folder. At first where we uploaded the program, we open, and after that if we click restore, then it will show some information or notification. If we want to download the program which is installed in previous, that will be deleted, so we must be ensured it. So after downloading the program, we must be remember that the program is okay and 100% correct. After that if we click OK, then program will be downloaded to the HMI. On the other hand, if we connect the LAN cable to the Profinet LAN X3 port, then it will not be possible to upload or download the program from the HMI. To check this, we connected the LAN cable to the X3 port and then selecting the folder where we want to upload the program. Then when we click start backup button, after some time there we saw an alarm, so it is not possible to connect the LAN cable to the X3 port. In this way we can upload or download the program from Siemens TP 1500 Comfort HMI. Thanks to all for watching this video.